try 101. Let's go. Ooh, the arena. And guys, I have been playing this game to, get the hang of it and stuff. So I finished like some of the quests. Yeah. Okay. But I got this reward. That gave me 1,000 gold just for free. I was like, wow. It was like a wow factor. Get it? Wow fact. Okay, let's get it. Okay. Okay, yeah, sure, whatever. Oh, okay, yeah, sure, whatever. I came here with us all. Special prizes. Woohoo! Alright. I think we're gonna win it. Woohoo! Alright. I think I'm going to hate you. Okay. Yeah. What do you want from me, horse? Now you know what I do. Okay. Okay, yeah, I know. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I know. Let's go. Alan Clock. Okay, so. Oh my God! Don't tell me this egg. Okay, so let me tell you, I got this egg from. Yeah, the boss battle. Yeah, I was so lucky to get the egg. I was like, the egg. It hasn't even hatched yet, so it's not a baby, a teen, or none of those about. So I gotta train it down. I really want you guys to see. Yeah, I want you guys to see and what it will hatch to. Want me to just skip ahead and like hatch it faster? And that means that them haters won't get me. Okay, let's go. And I'm just putting my yucky. Okay. Okay, so I have no idea where I'm going. Okay. And now I just go to the commands to command myself. To command. Got it? Okay. Blah 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 blah. Sub landscaper. Well, this is gonna be a wonderful. So I'll come back right when I finish this quest. So yeah. Hello guys, I'm back. So I got this new scroll that I got. Yes, it's amazing. It's so amazing and like just amazing. It's cool. Okay. So this is my house. Never went to this before. Let's change. Whoop. And whoop. And the student desk right around here. And I'm gonna put this right about here. Castle blocks. But let me block you right now. Still, the egg hasn't still hatched, and I cannot wait. It's like 4 more hours. And I'm not that patient woman, so anyways, blah blah blah. Thanks for watching this video. Also give a thumbs up.